English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 10.
So, what kind of job are you looking for?
I don't want to work in IT. I hate computers. I want to be a sales manager. I like giving presentations.
I enjoy business trips. She hates writing contracts. He doesn't like interviews. I like meeting clients.
Do you enjoy meeting clients? She doesn't like using computers. He likes training new colleagues. I hate long meetings. We don't like lazy employees. She enjoys working in a team.
So, Jordy, you're looking for a new job?
Yes, I want to have a change. I don't like my job anymore.
Oh dear, what is the problem with your current job?
Well, I work in an office and I sit at the computer all day. I really don't like spending so much time in front of a screen. I also work very long hours, sometimes until about 10 o'clock at night, and I hate working late at night.
Well, what would you want to do instead, Jordy?
I don't know exactly. I really enjoy working outside. I like working with animals and nature.
Oh, so you want something completely different.
Yes, I guess so. But I would be using some of the same skills. I enjoy working as part of a team.
That's great. How would you feel about running educational activities?
I'd really enjoy that. I like teaching people about nature and the environment.
So you could give presentations. Fantastic. Now, let's see what types of job might be suitable.
End of Lesson 10.